First of all, I would like to pay honor to all the soldiers who sacrificed their precious life for our nations. There are 4,233 gallantry awards winners in it. I would like to talk about the first recipient of Paramveer Chakra Award, Major Somnath Sharma. On 3 November 1947, Major Somnath Sharma's company was ordered on a fighting patrol to Budgam in the Kashmir Valley. He reached his objective at first light on 3 November and took up a position south of Budgam at 1100 hours. The enemy estimated at about 500 attacks his company positions from 3 sides. The company began to sustain heavy casualties, fully realizing the gravity of the situation and the direct threat that would result to both the aerodrome and Srinagar via home. Major Somnath Sharma urged his company to fight the enemy tenaciously. With extreme bravery, he kept rushing across the open group to his sections, exposing himself to heavy and accurate fire to urge them to hold on. Keeping his nerve, he skillfully directed the fire of his sections into the ever-advancing enemy. He repeatedly exposed himself to full fury of enemy fire and laid out cloth strips to guide our aircraft onto their targets in full view of the enemy. Realizing that casualty had affected the effective of light automatics, their officer, whose left hand was his blaster, personally commenced filling magazines and issuing them to the light machine's gunners. A mortar shell lands right in the middle of the ammunition, resulting in an explosion that killed him. Major Sharma's company held on the list position and the remnants withdrew only when almost completely surrounded. His inspiring example resulted in the enemy being delayed from 6 hours, thus gaining time for our reinforcements to get into position and to stem the tide of the enemy advance. His leadership, gallantry and tenacious defense were such that his men were inspired to fight the enemy by 7 to 1. 6 hours after the gallant officer has been killed, he has set an example of courage and qualities seldom equaled in the history of the Indian Army. His last message to Brigade HQ received a few moments before he was killed. The enemies are only 50 yards from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are under devastating fire. I shall not withdraw an inch, but will fight to our last man in our round. Major Somnath Sharma, at the young age of 25 years, laid down his life for the nation and became the recipient for first Paramveer Chakra of independent India. His saga of bravery, leadership and unyielding fighting spirit will continue to inspire the future generation. I get inspiration from Major Somnath Sharma that the way he fought till his last breath for his nation despite being injured, that too without hesitation, which proves that he was a true patriot. Similarly, if I get a chance to do something for our nation, then I should do it without any hesitation, even if it is martyrdom.